a lot of people who claim that we really ought to be doing something to make math and science education better. The Moody's Foundation project, the Mega Math Challenge, is one of those things that not only says it, but does it. And what they do is they provide an incentive, which are these college scholarships, for students to demonstrate that they can take an applied problem, which is not easily solved. For example, this year's problem, the stimulus package, for these students to be able to do this kind of analysis in a meaningful way demonstrates that these kids have a lot of capability. And these kids are just exemplary of the kinds of students that we have probably all over the country.
Isn't the loss of manufacturing jobs over the last 20 years one of the principal economic problems that we face?
This problem was a real challenge because it was very hard to model from scratch, almost impossible, because the data were all over the place, but that's what they're supposed to do. They come up with this representation, they analyze it, they check it against the data, reanalyze it, and they did what they could in 14 hours, which was superb.
In addition, we assume that low-range extrapolation will be possible with our model. What this refers to is going 1.5 times the interquartile range above the upper quartile.
We could never have done it. We could never have presented like these students. We couldn't have mined the data. We were not at that level that we could have handled data like these students had, because we were not team-oriented. And this is what comes out of it. We've seen what comes out of it, namely superb presentations, good analyses, and a poise that it's hard to believe.
Each team has 15 minutes to present its work, followed by 5 minutes of questions from the judges. I'll let you know by raising my hand when you have 5 minutes to go in your presentation. Please begin. The teams today did an absolutely remarkable job of showing what 17-year-old and 18-year-old kids are capable of. They did the kind of presentations that, were they in industry, would be really solid. They showed knowledge, they showed interest, they showed ability, they showed preparation, they showed comfort. They were really,